Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use the reading streak in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the topics we follow. We can see by posts by other people we follow and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to get started with using the reading streak. So basically, using the reading streak in Deepstash is a gamified feature designed to help you build a daily learning habit by tracking consecutive days of activity. So the streak encourages you to replace doom scrolling on social media with quite quick 5-minute reading sessions of idea cards. So what you can do is just use the app daily actively. So here we have the home page that you're going to be greeted by, from where we can get started reading. Here is how to get started with your reading streak. So if you click the start reading button right here at the bottom of the screen, you can get started reading what they have to offer. So once you finish this and you get to the end, it's going to show you that you have finished this. So now the next day that you open up another book or a section that you want to read, as you can see right here at the top of the screen, you're going to have the continue reading option. If you didn't finish it, it's going to show you that you're on day 2, day 3 and so on of your reading streak, and that is how to go ahead and use it and create your reading streak. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.